Let me show you how to create an outline text effect in Photoshop. Click on Open and drop your image to Photoshop. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the background layer. Remove the background with a quick remover tool. Add a layer mask. Choose the text tool and write any text. Change the text color to white for better visibility. Press Ctrl T to scale and adjust accordingly. Double-click on the text and press Ctrl T to bring out some properties and follow the process. Duplicate the text layer and follow this process. Choose the top text layer and reduce the flow to 0%. Go to the stroke icon and reduce the stroke size to 1. Choose the two text layer and link them together. This is how you can create an outline effect.